Hey guys, welcome back to Close Kitchen. Today we're going to do a mukbang. And we're going to try out this sauce, this chicken dipping sauce from Walmart. And I'll show you a picture in a minute. It's supposed to be similar to Chick-fil-A chicken dipping sauce. So we have some, what is it? What do you call this? These cut fries.
Boy, if you don't
Waffle cut. These waffle cut fries, as well as some chicken popcorn.
Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken. So let's open her up.
Don't get paper towel. Feels like it's filled to the top.
It looks like it might pop. Ooh. They got that thing sealed. Yeah, it's filled to the top.
We never had Chick-fil-A sauce, y'all, so we're not the best for this. It smells like honey mustard to me.
Yeah, that's what I'm smelling. The honey smell is very
like
strong.
Soybean oil, sugar, water, mustard. It's probably that mustard.
The mustard.
And turmeric. That's how they got the color.
Ah, so the yellow tint to it is turmeric, and then we smell honey. And you said what? Mustard. So the yellow mustard too will make it yellow.
It looks like it though. I've seen it before.
It was just like
It looks like the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, to me.
Somebody
it looks
got
like,
it for me before when I got Chick-fil-A. So I've seen it, but I don't think I've ever had it.
It's very creamy, not too thick, just really creamy. It has some seasonings in it because you could see some dark dots like.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. I see dots in mine.
Yeah, there's some little dots on there. I don't know if I'll be able to zoom in later for you guys, but it has some kind of seasonings in it. I would say some peppers is in there, not peppers, some black pepper and something red. Might be paprika or something.
Tastes like honey mustard to me.
It has egg yolks in there, lemon juice is in here. Carrot extract.
It's very sweet.
Let me see with my
Like
fries.
really, really sweet.
Let's dig this. Yeah. It tastes like honey mustard, but
It does.
it is
It's just sweeter than that
yeah.
because they put sugar.
It's very, very sweet, but it's also very smooth. Like a very, I don't know, like a whipped cream. It's not bad. A
The
little hot
dots
sauce.
makes it look like it's expired.
It does?
Look at mine.
Yeah.
But it says October of 2020.
Yeah. It looks like mayo to me. But it tastes like honey mustard. Exactly like it. It's not bad.
Y'all should comment below when y'all go to Chick-fil-A. What sauces do y'all always get? We always get Polynesian. That's our favorite.
That's the best.
I think Chick-fil-A is one of them restaurants that just have, they're the only one that has all of them options. It's like 20 something different flavors. They got all kinds of stuff. They have a lot of flavors. We just stick to Polynesian. When I used to get McDonald's, I used to get honey with my chicken nuggets.
No, you still ask for honey and mustard.
No, honey. I
Just honey?
didn't like mustard. I've been eating mustard since we bought the spicy mustard.
Oh.
I've never liked mustard. But now it's actually pretty good. But I used to ask for honey. And they used to always look at her crazy when I was little. They'd be like, honey, we got honey mustard. No, honey.
Honey.
I know y'all have honey. Y'all give people honey for them apples and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Give me some honey.
Got me looking crazy.
It's like a pregnant craving or something. It's so good though.
But the these fries that look like Chick-fil-A, you can find that at your local grocery store.
It's called waffle cut.
Waffle cut. We got ours from Walmart.
And if y'all like them Applebee's fries or O'Charlie's fries, those are the steak cuts.
Mm-hmm. I don't like those.
I
They're
still
too
like
big.
them.
Mm-hmm. What kind of fries that you guys like? Do you guys like the waffle fries? What is the other one? The steak?
Mm-hmm.
The steak fries or the
The
string?
thin ones.
Is it the string fries? Something like that. Comment below and let me know which one you guys like.
And they have string fries too.
Yeah.
Freddy's sells the string fries. Them
Oh, the really
tiny
I
ones.
don't like that.
I hate those. I hate them with a passion. I love me some McDonald's fries though.
Fresh.
If you get the fresh ones, they good. I can't
Yeah.
stand McDonald's, but I love their fries.
If they straight out of the oil with a little bit of salt, I love those.
I have this thing, y'all, and she started to pick up on it. But when I eat something sweet, I gotta get a little salt with it too. Cause it gets too sweet. Like, you been on it too? Oh, you ain't got no ketchup.
This is sweet enough.
I love sweet, but then it gets too overbearing in my mouth.
Yeah.
I be having like to rebalance my taste buds with some salt.
We just have weird cravings, weird eating habits. Actually, this is a cheat day for us.
We haven't had nothing like this in a minute. Y'all hear that? That wind?
That's the wind? I thought it was birds on the roof, y'all. Y'all, I was about to get up. That's why I'm looking crazy. I'm like, what the heck?
That wind almost took this food.
It's very windy here where we live. Sound like the whole roof was about to leave.
I'm full. I didn't think it was gonna be that filling. This is banquet chicken, y'all.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all.
$3.48. These are great value. The Walmart brand. It's like $1 something like that. We usually get the ones from Publix or Kroger, and it'd be like $3, almost $4, unless you get the sale, the 2 for $5.
Yeah.
So that's not bad at all, and they taste just like it.
Yeah.
And they cook the same way. Some of them are still a little soft, but to me they cook the exact same way. I don't see a difference.
And she brought everything.
Yeah.
What you put it on? 4? 4.50?
Because he was ready to eat. We haven't eaten much.
All day, yeah. So she put everything, the fries and the popcorn chicken on 4.50 and boil it.
$1.92 for this. That was really
I was surprised.
because our spicy mustard
It's 300
and
change.
our ranch and stuff like that.
So we just trying this today, and then in a future video I'm going to compare this sauce with the Chick-fil-A sauce itself.
Probably when we go back out to the area that we used to live in, because our Chick-fil-A around here, the reviews aren't that good.
Yeah.
So we haven't had it.
So we'll do that for you guys. But if you do try the sauce, let me know what you think about it, about the taste and everything else.
We saw a girl. She did a late night. Not a late night. She said Chick-fil-A on Sunday. That's what she titled it. And we grabbed everything that she bought except for our chicken. We don't eat chicken like this, like popcorn chicken like this. If we had kids or something like that, maybe.
Yeah.
But the one that everybody's been buying is a 3-pound bag. We would not get through that.
I could barely make it through this one, and I don't know how many pounds this one is. I think this is a 1
eat a lot
pound.
of seafood. We would buy seafood like that,
And eat
but
like
not
that.
popcorn chicken. Like you can't do much with this. This ain't even like breast or nothing like that.
Popcorn chicken is pretty much a whole bunch of flour.
I mean, you just gotta eat it as popcorn chicken.
Mm-hmm.
We don't eat stuff like this that often. It's like craving food.
Yeah. But it's not bad.
But the one they got is called Southern something. It looked like it might be good.
Anybody?
Southern something. It's like nine.
Nobody paying that kind of money for the
It's
Southern.
3 pounds though.
Yeah, we'll be doing 3 pounds.
No, I'm saying if they do want to get it,
Yeah.
if they have kids.
Yeah. You could get the 3 pounds and do it with your kids.
But it's not banquet. It's something called Southern something.
Mm. This banquet, popcorn chicken could feed 3 people. Because our plate is full and we still have some left over.
It's not my favorite though, but it's not the worst.
You know?
The banquet chicken. It has a whole lot of flour, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit of chicken.
Yeah.
We used to get the Tyson, but Tyson is no shade.
Questionable.
Tyson and Purdue. If y'all keep up with media, y'all know. It's not flaking like normal chicken, how you just bite into it and get that flake. But it's mainly flour. I think that's why I'm so full.
The flour. We should try
But
making
this sauce
this
is not that
ourselves.
bad. It's just a little sweet for me.
Mm-hmm. To me, I would like it to be, if they could make it spicy, that would be nice. Make it more spicy and
But I think it was supposed to mimic the Chick-fil-A
mimic
sauce.
this, yeah. I wish they would come up with a
If
spicy
I use
version.
that, I'll make some chicken like this, fry them up, put that, and put
And
some
chicken.
paprika or something in it.
Mm-hmm.
Some type of salty kick to it. It's just too sweet
Yeah.
for my liking. But we, like I said, we've never had Chick-fil-A sauce. I don't know. It's kind of funny that we saying that because Polynesian is that. It is kind of sweet, very sweet.
Yeah.
But this is just like
I think
it's honey mustard sweet.
I think because of it's a different texture too
It's
to the
sweet.
other sauce. I think the other one is sweet too because it has
But it has a lot of sugar because the first thing is soybean oil and sugar. My bad. You still got room? Cause
I'm struggling. Yo, I can't promise you I'm gonna eat this whole plate. You out?
I'm sorry.
You can't leave me. Yo, she's out.
I need some
I think
water.
I'm done.
I am
yeah.
too. This is gonna be my midday snack right here.
I'm done, y'all. After this one, I can't go any further. Wash it down with some water, and I'm good.
That's exactly what I need.
So, overall, it's okay. I would say it's okay.
Once we get a Chick-fil-A sauce, then we can tell y'all if it tastes just like it, but it's just not our particular choice.
Mm-hmm.
Polynesian.
Yeah.
All day, every day.
They might come up with their own Polynesian too.
No, no,
Yeah. But at least we tried it.
and it was cheap.
Yeah. It was very affordable. This meal actually is very affordable.
$10.
Yeah, about $10. So it's a small budget.
And we got leftovers.
And we have leftovers. But you can feed a family of 4 with it. Because it's a lot.
I ate more than you,
Yeah, I'm like.
but I'm feeling it now because I'm ready to sleep.
See what happens when people eat?
I am.
But that's it, y'all. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep cooking, chefs. Bye, chefs.
She is so silly, y'all. Bye, y'all. We'll see y'all in the next video. Probably comparing the two, Chick-fil-A and
Next
this one.
mukbang video.
Next
Not
mukbang.
video.
Yeah.
You better put out something after this.
Yeah, I'm putting.
She's in my next video.
Y'all, I meant the next mukbang will be comparing the two
Comparing
sauces.
Just for y'all, because I ain't a fan of it.
Yeah, I'm not a fan also. Bye, y'all.
Bye.